Now the remaining part of the DC approach, the step number 3. Step 3 is nothing, it is a combine step. Here we combine all the solution to get final solution of the problem. Final solution of the problem here. Okay, like by the diagram. Sorry, 1 minute. Like the diagram, problem can be divided into two parts: subproblem, subproblem. Then further divide subproblem. That is the problem SP1, SP2, SP3, 4, 5, 6. And now it will combine it like this. It is a combined state. जब हम कंबाइन कर रहे हैं उससे पहले इस पे बैकग्राउंड पे इस पे एल्गोरिथम ऑलरेडी चल रही है, दैट इज द कॉनकर अप्रोच, स्टेप नंबर 2. ओके, तो फर्दर वी कंबाइन इट. And finally we find it, and after find it will be the final solution, that is our target solution. Here there are two phases. Number one is the divide phase here till top to bottom. This is top to bottom approach. This is called designing. It is called designing of the top to bottom for division. For divide, that is the breaking of the problem. And this part is called combine, and it is just like bottom to top, bottom to top. Because top, that is the higher number, can be divided into smaller number, and smaller can be added into big number, big problem solution. So this is the top to bottom approach, and this is the bottom to top approach, a bottom up approach. This is called bottom up approach. Okay, bottom up to top approach. It is a concept of divide and conquer approach. With the help of a numerical here, I explain it with the help of numerical. So now we take for the merge shot. Okay, so how we show here by this diagram, I will tell you. For the merge shot, I will take an example. Let a problem A, unsorted number 10, 2, 7, 8, 1, 9, 3, 5. This is unsorted. It is an unsorted array of the n number. Here number is a 8. Total 8 number मेरे पास है. Now it is a problem. It is just like problem as A 1 to 8. Now this can be divided. Because of divide and conquer approach, we divide it into two parts. A 1 to 4 and A left side and right side 5 to 8, like 10, 2, 7, 8. This will be index number 5 is a 1, 9, 3 and 5. It is as a one dimension array. I will repeat it. It is as a one dimension array. I depict by this diagram. Now further it will be divided into two parts because it is unsorted. It is unsorted. Due to unsorted, we divide it. Okay, it is unsorted. This will be 10 and 2. This will be 7, 8. This will be 1, 9. This will be 3, 5. Okay, how will find it here? A 1, 2, what? 2. 3, 2, 4. This is 5 to 6. And this is 7, 8. Okay. Now further divide it like this. This is 10 already sorted. 2, 7, 8, 1, 9, 3, 5. Here n is equal to 1, that is atomic and sorted. So use step number 2, that is conquer approach. Now in conquer approach we have to use the merge sort, which will be explained in the next video. Here we can find that with the help of merge sort algorithm, this number is higher than 2, so we can exchange here. We can exchange. Okay. So now we will get 2, 10. This will be already sorted, so we will write 7, 8. This will be 1 and 9. This will be 3 and 5. And we find here all numbers are already sorted, so we will further conquer it. And this is 2, 7, 8, 10. How will we get? For this we have to use merge procedure in the next video, next upcoming video. That is very important, how we will combine here. Here we can pictorial, so we will simply we have to replace, simply we have exchange, but in the video how we will use the algorithms steps for this interchange here, like 1 after the 3, then 5, then 9. तो अभी जो अगली वीडियो हम बनाएंगे उस वीडियो में आपको दिखाएं कैसे 5 जाएगा, कैसे 9 लास्ट में हो जाएगा। इसके लिए पूरी की पूरी एल्गोरिथम है, उस एल्गोरिथम को ही कहा गया है मर्ज शॉर्ट। और मर्ज शॉर्ट में डिवाइड करेंगे, फिर कॉन्कर पे मर्ज प्रोसीजर लगाएंगे और लास्ट में फिर कंबाइन कर लेंगे। एंड फाइनली वी फाइंड 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9 and 10. It is our final. Now here this is divide approach and here this is combine. In background we will have to use any algorithm which is implied by the user and is designer, that is called conquer approach.